Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to enable email notifications for your LinkedIn page activities on PC using the latest update. Staying updated on your page's activity is crucial for timely engagement, and LinkedIn now makes it easier than ever to manage these notifications right from your desktop. Let's get started. First, open LinkedIn in your preferred web browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top right corner. Here, you'll see your profile picture labeled as Me. Click on Me to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings where you can control a variety of preferences. On the left side of the settings page, find and click on the Notifications tab. This section allows you to customize how you receive updates about your LinkedIn activity, including emails, push notifications, and more. Now scroll down or look for the Pages category. Click on Pages to expand your options. Here, you'll see a list of notification types related to the pages you manage. Find the section labeled Activity on Pages you manage. This is where you can control notifications for updates, comments, and other activities happening on your LinkedIn pages. To enable email notifications, simply toggle the switch next to Email to the on position. This ensures you'll receive email alerts whenever there's activity on your managed pages, so you never miss an important update or engagement opportunity. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you'll stay informed about your LinkedIn page activities directly in your inbox, making it easier to respond quickly and keep your community engaged. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more LinkedIn tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.